This therapy is based on 3 parameters. Without medicine, how to treat? Na? You must be surprised, aren't you?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm a physiotherapist.
Acha,
I
physiotherapist. Okay, okay. So
Yeah, so
I will be guiding you. See my this thing. A training program will be starting from uh, 4th of June. So can you give me your phone number, or can you note down my phone number for WhatsApp?
yeah.
989
Again, 989
211
211 yeah
56
56.
25.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the training program will be at 10:40 a.m. morning. So from अभी कल छुट्टी है, परसों से ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम चालू हो जाएगा. तो आप 10:40 को जूम पे आ जाइए, मैं लिंक वगैरह सब भेजूंगी. ठीक है?
Okay.
ओके. तो अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि बिना दवाई और बिना सर्जरी कैसे ट्रीटमेंट देंगे. तो यहाँ पे कैसा होता है कि हम लोग हर आदमी को अपने, देखो आपने सुना है हर एक का ब्लड ग्रुप अलग अलग होता है. I don't
हाँ.
have to tell you because you are a physiotherapist. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, hello?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Huh. So,
Yes, hello,
everyone
hello.
is having blood groups. There are 4 blood groups, ABO. So,
Hmm.
Hello.
hello? Can you
Hello,
hear
yes,
me?
please continue.
Yeah.
Yes, I can
So,
hear you.
yeah. So, everyone is having different blood groups, ABO. Some may be having A blood group, A positive, negative. Some will be having B positive, negative. Then AB positive, negative. And some will be having O positive or negative. So, depending on their blood group, if we happen to change the diet, because some people are allergic to something and some people can digest that one very easily. So depending on and when we take wrong things, then the toxins develop, and then the acidity increases, and that leads to so many disorders. So what we do, we try to change their diet based on their blood group. So that is there are 4 people who are the pillars who have based on their concept. We started this way. Mr. Pradeep Kohar has started his own way of treating. The Kohar therapy means it is not nothing. No meaning is there except Kohar is the surname of Pradeep sir. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So based on his this thing surname, he had named it as Kohar therapy because his mother was sick 5 years back, and she could recover by using these pillars. So that's why we call it as a pillar, because it is changing. We can change our diet and water content, and based on that we can treat the patient. So how do we do? So first thing is diet. We try to change the diet of the person who is suffering, and no, we should not do only for when we are suffering. We should, if we every day use diet such that it will be proper for us, then the toxins will never accumulate. I'll call you at 1 o'clock. Bye. So the toxins will never accumulate, and then it will continue. Like patient will remain in healthy state.
Okay.
Follow?
Wow. Yes, yes. Wow.
You want to ask anything?
Ma'am, how this
These are-
rehabilitation is working here?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, is there anyone? Bhumika Kevadia.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello. Anyone wants to ask anything?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
how this
Bhumika is asking something.
how this rehabilitation is working here?
What is it? What is working?
Rehabilitation. Sir mentioned about rehabilitation in this group, so I was asking about that.
Rehabilitation means what you know. When the patient is admitted, then we try to give particular type of diet, some exercises, and based on that, the person, because of the change of diet, the person it helps in changing in rehabilitation.
Okay.
It gets recovery during
Oh,
rehabilitation.
Okay, ma'am.
and I wanted to ask one thing. Like,
Sure.
yeah, hi,
Boliye.
this is Shubham here this side. So, this, as you told, cohort therapy, and
Yeah.
we all are here for a reason, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
and I think everyone knows the reason why we all are here. So, we just wanted to ask something.
Huh?
For that reason, how are we going to work, and how will we be knowing more about cohort therapy? Because in website also there is not much knowledge about it.
Okay, okay. That is true because people are unaware about it. So that's why we have kept the seminar training program for 10 days. It is starting at on 4th of June, means परसों से चालू है, and for 10 days till 13, 4 से 13 तक. Okay, I will be conducting that training program. Hello,
Yes, yes,
hello.
I'm there.
So
Yeah, hi,
can you
I'm there.
Yeah, can you send me, can you take my phone number so that I'll give you the invitation for the attending that program? I'll send you the link, Zoom link.
I have
So,
your number, I think 9892115625.
perfect. So you send, you write your name and what are you doing? That's enough. So I'll send you the invitation. Okay?
Okay.
The training program is going to be of 10 days, and after
Uh,
that we'll be on field, or we'll be
no,
like
see,
in this training program we'll,
no, no, no. If you want to work with, if you like that cohort therapy, you can work and at 21 ways. Means you could be a donation. You can take the donation aspect. You can bring the donations from somewhere. You can arrange the this thing. We have a pronto service where people can't go to hospital. Then they require nurse, physiotherapist, and all that. So if you try to make arrangements for them, then you also get some commission type of thing. Every step you get some money or the other. If the patient, if you refer, then also person can get the commission. Every day, means suppose you will send person X, okay, and that person is brought to me because I'm a consultant, okay. Then I'll try to tell him take this, that. So I will not be benefited from the medicine what he purchases. The one who sends will be benefited. Hello.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like it's basically a refer and earn program, right?
Yeah. You can earn at any level. So, because some uh, this thing accountants join anyone. अभी सर के पास एक भाजी वाला था, यानी है अभी भी, तो उसने तो सिर्फ पेशेंट को रिफर करना चालू किया और उसको महीने का ₹1,00,000 मिल रहा है. यानी भाजी सेल करके कुछ
Hmm.
नहीं मिलता था, अभी घर बैठे उसको ₹1,00,000 मिलना है चालू हो गया. कि when person sells something, means the patient purchases something, then you get some this thing money.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I want to know more about like physiotherapy, how it works in your field.
That's what I'm saying. Na? See, if you die, suppose a person is bedridden, you cannot move. So then you see, physiotherapist means what? You will tell particular exercises, okay? But
Yeah.
unless and until you have particular diet, then only it will work, na?
Okay, so if I'm joining this training till 10 days and if I'm getting a certificate, I can join this field or have to do work from my home?
No,
at
no,
home?
no, no. You can do your work, but you
Hmm.
prescribe them. If ma'am, if you take this, then it will be beneficial for you. You do this or you do that, and you charge them extra. And whatever they'll purchase, you'll get this thing commission from that purchase, na? Because it will be going through your ID. Both of
Okay.
you following?
So here I don't have to
Yeah.
work, like personally, I don't have to come and work there, right?
No, you don't have to come as such anywhere.
Okay.
Whatever you are
Yeah.
doing, you just
Hmm.
prescribe them. You just advise them. See, such and such a things are there. What are they are able to improve it, and during doing that, you can take the help of. Now I told you that you will be under me, so you can take consultation. The patient will take consultation from him, me, and I will share my consultation fee with you because you will be sending, na. So then the thing is, I will advise power diet to that person, whereas you will be advising the medicines, or even if I will tell to get some supplements, you will be benefited because you brought it. Okay,
So, yeah.
I will not be benefited.
So,
समझ में आ रहा है आप दोनों को?
yeah.
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
शुभम समझ में आया?
हाँ मैम, थोड़ा थोड़ा है.
अच्छा, तो मैं कंटिन्यू करूँ?
हाँ मैम.
Yes
हेलो,
मैम.
हाँ, तो मैं
Yes मैम.
पहले मैं कंटिन्यू करती हूँ, बाद में मेरे को सब क्वेश्चंस पूछिए आखिरी में, ठीक है?
Okay.
हाँ हाँ.
ओके, हाँ, तो फिर पहला एस्पेक्ट क्या है? पीटर एडमो was a scientist who has given the concept of blood group diet. So based on the above blood group, so whenever any patient comes, we should know the blood group of that person. So based on that, we change the diet of the patient, and you find great improvement in that person. Second aspect is Dr. Linus Pauling, who minerals for our body. So whenever we give particular minerals deficiency is there, see diseases कब होते हैं जब deficiency आती है तो deficiency mineral की deficiency की वजह से diseases. If you try to recover, give them particular mineral, then the patient gets recovery very soon. So diabetes is referred to us. We change diet and we tell them to take diet care and something of that sort. So those supplements help to get rid of the diabetes within a week's time. So सुनने वाला होगा तो हफ्ते में इसी तरह से recovery हो जाएगी. अब अगर ज्यादा नहीं सुनता है, अपनी दवाई खाता रहेगा और ऊपर से वो सुनेंगे 8 दिन क्या बोलेंगे तो 8 दिन के अंदर ही बीमारी खत्म होने का चालू होता है, और वो लाइफ टाइम है, एक बार जाती है वापस नहीं आती है, क्योंकि हम उसका रूट कॉज ही निकाल रहे हैं ना. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yeah.
हेलो.
Hello. Yes ma'am.
हाँ
I'm getting it. Yeah.
हाँ, तो अभी मैंने बोला फर्स्ट वन इज ब्लड ग्रुप, सेकंड ऑफ पीटर एडमो, सेकंड वन इज लीनस पॉलिंग का minerals. So we have one this thing CMD, which has all the minerals which are required for the body. Suppose person takes CMD every day, then the person will not be able to have diseases, because हमारा this Koha therapy is based on special diet, blood group diet. Then we try to boost the immune system, and the third one is modern medical science, because with modern medical science you is involved indirectly, because we are not going to take the allopathic दवाइयाँ, लेकिन वो हमें पैथोलॉजी के रिपोर्ट्स बनानी है, सीटी स्कैन करना है, फिर एक्सरे निकालना है, तो इसके लिए हमने मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस का भी थोड़ा हेल्प लेते हैं। लेकिन अगर इफ द पेशेंट आपके पास स्टेज 4 में ही आता है कैंसर वाला, जिसका डेथ तो अभी सामने ही है, तो फिर हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते। तो अगर पेशेंट रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा, हम बोलेंगे वो उस तरीके से दवाइयाँ लेगा, तो द ट्रीटमेंट गिव्स 100% guarantee. It is a time bound also, and it never comes back. Then the third person is Dr. Vishwaswarup Rai Chaudhary. He had given concept that if we eat raw food, then our body is able to get lots of vitamins and minerals in, and we don't fall sick. So हम लोग based on his concept, we have designed our power diet and super power diet. So because that the critically ill person also gets recovery. Then the fourth one is Ayurveda. Our kitchen में जो कुछ है, हल्दी है, ginger है, garlic है, those type of things are able to help in curing the disease. Now for this we have 4 forms. First one is Arrow Humanity form, which works on the, it is a NGO type of form, where children are treated. Suppose any child is unable to have money for treatment, then we try to arrange finances through the donations we receive, and then we help the children to get recovery. Then the second one is Kohar Health LLP. It is a research organization. So यहाँ पे जो कुछ रिसर्च किया जाता है, उसकी वजह से पेशेंट को इम्प्रूवमेंट मिलना चालू होता है, इसीलिए वो ब्रांच बनाई है. फिर वी हैव वेलनेस हॉस्पिटल. सो वहाँ पे मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस के सब कुछ है, आईसीयू है, सब कुछ है जो ऑर्डिनरी कोई भी दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में दिखाई देता है, सब कुछ है. लेकिन हम पेशेंट को पूछते हैं कि आपको कौन से टाइप से ट्रीटमेंट लेना है, मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस चाहिए या कोहार थेरापी चाहिए. So if they opt for Kohar therapy, then we treat according to our power diet, power steam. Special aspects are there. When you learn, when you join my training program, you will be able to learn so many things. Then the fourth one is Pronto, which I already told you that some people are unable to come to the hospital and they want treatment at home. So we provide them with physiotherapists, the nutritionist, then nurse or this thing, caregivers. So they whenever if you help them, then you get some percentage, and you will be benefited directly, indirectly. And whenever the patient is doing any pathology test and all that, on that also you get some benefit. So at every stage, patient you are benefited if you happen to join Kohar therapy group. It's like that. Anything now? I finished with the introduction of the Kohar therapy. What is Kohar therapy? Based on mineral and blood group diet. And here we are advising them to drink alkaline water. Usually whatever tap water we get, that is acidic, having pH of 6. Whereas our body, pH 7 is considered as a neutral one. And acidity can be easily formed in a body because of we are eating, our lifestyle is changing day by day, and because of wrong food we are getting acidity problem quite often. So if you happen to drink alkaline water, then it is neutralized and you don't suffer from the diseases. So here we are introducing GoIonic water ionizer. We are not advising to purchase, but if person can afford and is able to is interested in keeping himself fit, then you can advise that person to drink alkaline water. नहीं तो मटका होता है ना, हेलो,
Yeah.
हाँ, तो घर में मटका होता है ना, उसमें चांदी का, सोने का और कॉपर का कुछ भी डालो, यानी स्पून होता है या कड़ा होता है या कॉइन होता है, कुछ भी डालो और वैसा पानी रखो, फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद वो पानी एसिडिक पानी अल्कलाइन हो जाता है, एंड वो अल्कलाइन होने के बाद आप खाना बनाने के लिए भी और पीने के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं। इस तरीके से बीमार पड़ने का चांस जरा कम हो जाता है। अभी पूछिए, अभी तो आप दोनों पूछिए क्या क्या सवाल है आपके। आई फिनिश्ड विद द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द थेरेपी, you tell me.
I understood the introduction, ma'am.
Bhumika ji? Bhumika ji,
Yeah, hello.
you understood what is your role after joining Kohar training?
Yeah, I understood, ma'am.
Huh. So in case you want anything, you can still ask me. And Shubham? Hello, Shubham? Unmute karo, Shubham ji. Hello? Shubham? शुभम, अपने बारे में बोलो कुछ। हेलो, अभी तो बोल रहे थे ना हमारे साथ, क्या हुआ? हेलो शुभम। अच्छा भूमिका जी।
Hello.
हाँ, अभी your friends also would like to learn this technique?
Ma'am, right now I'm like I recently competed and I came Mumbai. I was in Karnataka till now.
Okay, okay, okay. You are new to Mumbai.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So I actually want to work like as a job or something.
Yeah, this
इसीलिए-
is a way. See, listen, even if you are at home, if you tell something on the phone also, then we send them by courier, and then they the patient gets recovery also, and you will be benefited by selling your products. I'm not telling that you should compulsorily sell, but you are doing your physiotherapy aspect. So if you go on giving them this type of thing, then it will help in boosting the because देखो कोई पेशेंट जल्दी रिकवरी करता है तो बोलेंगे अरे ये फिजियोथेरेपी अच्छी है, तो कोई रिकमेंड करेंगे ना।
हाँ,
ऐसा है ना, तो फिर पहले happen to give good fast recovery to those patients, then people will mouth publicity से हो जाता है ना, दूसरों को भी बुलाया जाता है ना।
हाँ, that
ऐसा
works.
है।
So now after we get the 10 days of training program, so what will be the tag we will be receiving after it?
What will be what?
The tag which we will be receiving after attending the training or after completion of the course.
No, while doing, suppose you are doing a training program and suppose you have any patient, so we can advise him and you will start earning during training also. There is no
No,
problem.
we are getting it. Like after we complete your training, can we call ourselves as physiotherapist?
No, let me tell you, let me know what you are doing right now.
What I am right now.
Your background.
My name is Shubham.
Can you repeat?
What I am right now means?
What are you doing right now? What is your qualification? What are you doing?
Okay. So
Background.
my name is Piyush.
Piyush?
Yeah, Piyush is my
It's not,
name.
Shubham is
my
not your
pet
name?
It's my pet name.
Okay.
Nickname kind of.
Okay.
So I'm a graduate and I'm in
Graduated in what?
Arts.
Arts. Okay. So
And
you
I'm
can.
an professional anchor.
Okay.
Professional anchor into events in field.
No, your voice is breaking. We can't understand what you're talking. Can you shift a
I'm
bit?
saying I am a professional anchor.
What are you doing?
Anchor.
So you can you will be facing many people. So you will be able to get many clients every
Saying
now and
well
then.
that I'm a professional anchor of even stage shows.
Okay.
I also assist startups and
Okay.
companies
Very good.
to get the J curve
Ah,
into their industry.
okay. Good.
So whatever I do is quite a different from the graduation and the field of graduation which I've did. It's all a matter of my skill and my own
Hmm.
knowledge.
Yeah. Yeah. See what I'm saying. See, you are not from the medical background. Okay. But even if you'll refer patients to me, so then you will be benefited because the patient, whoever you will bring, that person will purchase, you will be getting your cuts, na? Followed?
Yeah, I also know a doctor as Dr. Vishwarup Roy Chaudhary.
Yeah. You know him
You
personally?
might also be knowing about him, right?
Hello, his concept only we are using. You are from Bengal?
It's the same concept, right? So is what I was recalling the thing which he told and you are saying.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Food diet, right?
How do you know him?
I know him. I've been following him since years, and yes, I've met one of his assistants, Mr. I think Deepak Roy. He is his assistant right now, and has become a very good
No,
friend
no,
of
but
mine
where
also.
is he? Is he in Calcutta or Bombay?
I don't know where he is right now. Last
But
time when I met him, he was in Bombay. He came,
okay,
and he came here for a seminar,
okay,
and Vietnam president something seminar was there.
okay, okay. So you are from Bombay, na?
Yes.
Okay, and you also, na, Bhumika? Bhumika,
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
you are also from Bombay, na?
Yeah, I'm from Bombay.
Okay, very good. So both of you send your name and what are you on my number which I gave you, and I
Yeah.
will invite you for the official training program which will be starting from Thursday onwards. Okay, it will be at
Okay.
10:40.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, this session, 1 hour session 12 to 1 is for getting training the people to for knowing what is Koha therapy, because they have heard but they don't know what is Koha therapy, because till now ऐसे इतना दुनिया को मालूम नहीं है ना, तो अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग लेते रहेंगे तो वो people will start knowing it. So that is why we started this session, and when anyone new comes, we tell them to join, because it is a free seminar, so free training program. We also have paid program. If you complete your training program, then you have to pay just 50% for the paid training program. It's like that.
Actually, I was not knowing about this program before. Like,
Yeah.
I didn't even
This is
heard about it before.
yeah. So now suddenly from March we started announcing this.
Okay.
Before that, it
So
was not enough.
the DIP diet, sorry to interrupt you, the DIP diet or SIP diet which Dr. Roy has suggested, you
Huh?
guys have named it as Koha therapy, right?
But our therapy is not only on diet. We are giving different type of water, the ways in which we drink water. पानी कैसे पीने का वहां से हम सिखाते हैं.
तो मैम
And it's
इन्होंने तो कोरोना के लिए भी बताया हुआ है, कोरोना का इलाज. He has also given a diet for the corona, right?
okay, but we are also treating all. There is no disease which can't be cured by Koha therapy. Anything can be cured,
Koha therapy.
according to Pradeep sir. Because we have
Okay,
the
sounds good to me.
simple.
I'm actually interested.
Pardon?
Sounds good to me. I'm actually interested in
बिकॉज
it. So
सी
I'll be.
यहाँ पे कैसे एडवांटेजेस क्या है कोहार थेरेपी के. एक तो टाइम बाउंड है. हाँ, 8-10 दिन में डायबिटीज किसी का 8-15 सालों से चालू है, वो 8-10 दिन में जाएगा तो किसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. द पर्सन कैन स्टार्ट ईटिंग usual way, na? Then whatever he likes, then you don't have to do ratio.
I would like to suggest you one thing, ma'am.
हाँ.
I would like to suggest you one thing. Since I assist startups, so what I'll tell you is, if you want to do it now, sorry, then
हाँ.
at least after the person who completes 10 days of certification, 10 days of training, you should also
हाँ.
certify him that yes, this guy or this, like Madam Karwadia, Bhumika Karwadia, has completed the training section, then of cohort therapy, and she is eligible to treat patients
Of course,
with
we
this
are giving
therapy.
that certificate. Of course, we are giving that certificate of completion of the therapy. Whoever
When
we
we
are taking
complete the
mock
10 days
test.
of training, you will provide the certificate also, right?
Yes, free everything.
Okay, so sounds good to me. I'm interested. I'll just WhatsApp you the
Yeah, if
details
at all,
and let's join.
I'll be happy. Yeah. I'll be happy if you can bring your friends or relatives to join along with you on Zoom, so that the group can become bigger, because hardly there is 2 days left on 2 day, no, only 1 day I should say, for making an announcement. I've not officially made announcement yet. So I will announce it, and then yeah, you also, both of you, bring some more friends of yours to join, so that there will be fun in interacting also, because you will be learning many things, and those things are going to help you for keeping fit for your family also, na? And it is free. You are not going to waste any money or anything. It is time bound and without any side effects, because देखो, अभी डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे तो डॉक्टर जो दवाई देगा तो फिर हार्ट के लिए है तो किडनी पर असर होगा, लिवर पर असर होगा, ब्रेन पर असर हो सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ तो क्या डैमेज होने के बजाय उसको बेनिफिट ही होता है. Your pancreas will start improving, function will start improving, kidney will start improving, dialysis requirement will be this thing. You don't need dialysis because kidney will be again start working. So ऐसा इतना फायदा है तो ऑपरेशन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी ना. कैसा लग रहा है?
Yeah, correct. Sounds good to me.
Okay, so
Yeah.
both of you try to contact me and join me for the before contacting. Just send me your this thing, just what you are doing and your name.
Yeah.
So, hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Background is there.
No, sounds good to me.
Okay, so I'm expecting you on Thursday, 10:40
Yes.
on Zoom.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
both of you, and try if you can bring some more
Okay.
friends of yours to join. Okay.
Yes. Thank
So
you.
what else? What else you want to know from the earning aspect? You want to know or anything?
First, let's start the training. Then we'll continue with the
because,
question and answer.
There are the different 11 ways of earning. 21 ways. So you can do more than one type of ways of earning, na? So depending on your capability. Because if you can refer also, you can start your distribution also. You can अपना खुद का franchise होगा तो उससे भी थोड़ा हो जाता है. Then this thing consultation कर सकते हैं तो उससे होता है. Counseling करेंगे तो उससे होता है. If you can make arrangement for the donation, उससे बहुत सारा मिलता है पैसा. ऐसा बहुत सारे ways of earning है.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ram Sajivan
Okay,
भैया.
so let's meet again on Thursday. Okay.
नमस्ते. तो क्या करूं भाई, बम्बई का हाल तो बहुत बुरा हो गया.
हेलो.
हालत खराब हो गया है.
हेलो.
क्या हो गया भाई राम जी, प्रजापति क्या हो गया?
हाँ बोल. हाँ
क्या हो गया राम सजीवन?
नहीं अभी कुछ नहीं.
वो तो रोज सुनते आते हैं.
कहाँ जाने गए?
वो तो एकदम बड़े हैं, वो एक्सपीरियंस आदमी है.
हेलो. हाँ मैडम, दूसरे मोबाइल पर फोन है, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ जरा. हाँ
अच्छा,
नहीं बोलिए सिद्धार्थ
okay,
जी,
so let's meet on Thursday, ma'am.
बोलिए सिद्धार्थ
Okay.
जी।
कैसे हैं आप राम सजीवन जी? How are you?
सब ठीक हूँ।
क्या
हेलो,
प्रॉब्लम है सर, बताइए क्या
हाँ
प्रॉब्लम है?
बोलिए शुभम जी, बोलिए आप क्या बोल रहे हैं?
क्या प्रॉब्लम है बताइए।
कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर, सब ठीक
आपने
ठाक
कहा
है।
ना मुंबई का हालत ये हो गया, तो वही पूछ रहा हूँ क्या हो गया, कुछ सेवा कर सके तो बताइए।
नहीं हमारे लिए कोई सेवा है तो बोलिए सर, मेरे को कुछ बोलिए ऐसा है तो।
सर पहले सेवा करने का मौका दीजिए, फिर बाद में कराएंगे।
और कैसे है सर? एक फोन है सर।
बढ़िया बढ़िया, ठीक है, आप बात कर लीजिए वापस। मैम लेट्स मीट टुगेदर ऑन थर्सडे ऑल्सो, ठीक है? थैंक यू।
हेलो, कोई बोलता क्यों नहीं है?
हेलो।
हेलो,
हेलो।
हाँ जी, पूछिए कुछ भी।
हाँ तो मैम, अगर मुझे पेशेंट्स ट्रीट करने हैं।
हाँ जरा 1 मिनट। हाँ
हाँ।
हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए।
हाँ तो ये ट्रेनिंग के बाद अगर मुझे पर्सनली पेशेंट्स ट्रीट करने हैं तो मैं सर्टिफाइड सर्टिफिकेट के थ्रू कर सकती हूँ।
हाँ आराम से।
हाँ तो
आपके
पेशेंट्स मुझे मतलब यूजुअली इफ आई एम डॉक्टर आई विल आस्क पेशेंट्स टू कम टू मी, लाइक मैं चाहूंगी कि पेशेंट्स आए, isn't
हाँ
it? हाँ तो
हाँ,
ये मेरा कोई पर्सनल क्लिनिक नहीं है, सो आई
नहीं
थॉट टू
चलेगा
वर्क।
ना। हेलो हेलो,
हाँ।
वो कोई भी हॉस्पिटल को अटैचमेंट लेंगे तो
हम्म।
वहां पे पेशेंट आते रहेंगे ना, ऑर्थोपेडिक हॉस्पिटल और एनीथिंग।
हाँ तो जो आपने हॉस्पिटल का नाम बताया था अभी रिसेंटली, GS समथिंग।
जीएस के
हाँ
वेलनेस।
GSK।
हाँ,
हाँ
तो वहां
तो
पे जो पेशेंट को जरूरत होगी तो आपको बुलाएंगे ना वो।
हाँ
आप
तो
कहाँ
अगर
रहती
वहाँ,
है?
मैं भाईंदर में रहती हूँ मैम।
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, वो वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पर ही है ना, क्योंकि वो मीरा रोड पे ही है ना।
हाँ तो अगर वो पेशेंट मतलब वहाँ पे अगर फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट की जरूरत है या इफ दे रिक्वायर फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, तो मुझे यहाँ से वो लोग अपॉइंट करेंगे। इज इट लाइक दैट?
हाँ हाँ, so whoever, now you are under me na, so
या।
I will tell you, I will tell them to make an arrangement, and then you will be benefited because you will be getting direct per sitting, and then
या।
patient will be also benefited, and whatever purchase medicine का लेंगे तो वो भी benefit मिलेगा ना।
अच्छा ओके, अच्छा।
Okay, anything else?
नो, आई क्लियर्ड माय डाउट्स।
Okay,
थैंक यू।
Good
very
afternoon,
good.
everybody.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
Hello, good
Yes,
afternoon, Dr. Supriya.
hello Dr. Umesh, बोलिए।
Yeah, how are you?
आई एम फाइन। दो
Yeah,
नए लोग आए हैं ज्वाइन होने के लिए अभी। यू आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू कम ना, और यू आर फिनिश्ड?
means what finished? Hello, hello,
हाँ बोलिए।
hello. Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello?
हाँ
Hello?
हाँ जी.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes. Hello, ma'am.
हाँ.
Can I
बोलिए.
join? Can I join you on Thursday now?
Yes, it is. पक्का हो गया. ठीक है?
Okay. Okay. I'll
Both
send you
of
my
you are
number.
joining. Okay.
Yeah.
You just write your name and what you are.
Yeah.
Physiotherapist, no? So you write
Yeah.
and then I will send you my invitation for Thursday. Okay?
ma'am. Yeah. Thank you.
Dr. Umesh, you will be joining or the whatever training you had taken, that's enough for you?
Let's see. Like I will join in between. Let's see, because now everything is like lined up now. Like
There's
after
no
training,
need, no?
like
No, there's no need, no, because you have read, heard everything. So you can give
yeah.
exam now. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So
If
today,
I'm free, I will see. I will join.
10:40.
Mm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
कोहर हेल्थ सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए।